All right, here's the Saturn View CVT that we put the CVT inside this car here. We're going to drive this. Remember what I did to that primary variator? I took the balls out and put those rods there in place for it to slide up against the rods. Now, the way the CVT operates, it doesn't shift like a regular transmission. In fact, it doesn't shift at all. It just kind of it does what it says. It variates the ratio. It's very smooth, just like a scooter. So what we're gonna do, you look at the RPMs, and the RPMs when I first start off should go up past 2,000 RPMs, taking off. However, as the transmission begins to variate the ratio, it should drop below 2,000. If it is dropping below 2,000 and I'm going the faster that I go, then it is doing its job. So we're going to see how this works.
This is you ending fire, then we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. And if we should die, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, calling out, Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire in the trees, and I see fire, hollow soul, I see fire.
Now, going about, 55, you can probably see the RPMs are still in the 2,000 at 55 mile an hour. The sun is in the way right there. Cars on the freeway. And it's Saturn View. Getting up to 60. The RPM still dropping down. We're doing a good job here. That means the variator is variating, sliding up and down on those shafts. Boy, I like it when a plan comes together.
Inside the mountain, I see fire. Burning the trees, I see fire. Hollow soul, I see fire.
perfect.